the color ramp is really good for very simple setups like this one, for example, where you only really want to set one color for the shadow and then different colors, for example, for the lighting, or even just like one color like this, right? This is where the color ramp is really good. What you can't do with the color ramp is what you can do with the mixed color node, which is adding textures, for example, for the shadow and textures for the light color. If we now use this noise texture, for example, and plug that into the light color, all of a sudden we have a dark color, and then we have this noise texture for the light color. There is no way to plug a texture into the handle of the color ramp highlight color ramp here. So the only way we could use this texture is we would just use a mixed RGB node here too. And then we plug this in here into the factor. We'll have to make sure that it's white. And then it's basically the same as this setup. So you don't really save any nodes or whatever. That's one reason why the color ramp isn't really necessarily better in any case except using a simple color.